All right, here we go. Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 194. I have one team that has not been paid for. The Sixers. The Spurs have been paid for, which is updated on my one sheet. I am going to do an auction on the Spurs. I'm sorry, not on the Spurs, on the Sixers. If anybody is interested, there's the line for the Sixers. You can see my time. All right, focus. Well, it's 9:35 Central, which is 10:35 Eastern. If anybody's interested in the Sixers, let me know. Otherwise, we're going to rip. And I do not see Teacher here no more, so the Nets are also still open. How you doing, New Yorker? I have the Sixers and the Nets still open. Uh, New Yorker, do you have a team in this? No. Let me look at something. What? On Teacher, do you want the Sixers or the Nets before I start? New Yorker, I sent you an IM. Let me know if you want them, otherwise I'm going to rip. One second, I'm just giving Teacher first dibs. All right. All right, Teacher's taking the Nets. Teacher got disconnected and came back. And In New Yorker, if you send over for the Sixers, they're yours. There's no countdown needed. New Yorker's taking the Sixers. All right, I'm going to bring the list over and we'll get started. No problem. That means all the teams filled. So, thank you for the fill. I'm just waiting on the 2 payments. Once I get the 2 payments, we'll break. I will do some kind of giveaway at the end of the break. If anybody wants to do like divisional boxes, um, yeah, New Yorker. The new PayPal is all right. I got yours, teacher. I'll do some sort of giveaway at the end. If anybody wants to do like a division break of football, baseball, we can do something after the break if you're interested. Stuff from football I got is 2013, 14, 15. Baseball is 2015. All right, Speakeasy. We might be able to do some sort of football divisional break. All right, here we go. Got it, New Yorker. Thanks. How you doing, KB? Welcome to the room. All right, here we go. Good luck. Oh, let me move these blank cards. Box 1. Good luck. Empty box. The last 5 boxes of this case are set up on eBay right now for Thursday, so everybody knows. Good luck. Pack 1. Here we go. Well, hopefully that's a good start. Brandon Jennings. Nope, we just started. You came in at the right time. DeMarcus Cousins, DeAndre Jordan, red parallel for the Clippers. And for the Cavs, LeBron James, red parallel. The James is 155 of 279 for the Cavs. All right. And the DeAndre Jordan is 66 of 279. And this I might have to do some homework on. This is pretty sick to start with. Good luck. How about a Ballad Busters? Nope, it's for the Nuggets. David Thompson, all on sticker autograph. Wow. Congrats to whoever's got the Nuggets. That is number 29 of 60. Yeah, this case, I can tell you right now, it's been sick, especially with this in it, because we pulled, I want to say it was Kareem for the Lakers out of last 5 boxes. And now we got a David Thompson. The only thing is no big rookies yet out of this. Blank card. What a way to start. I guess we're going to use the snow globe. It's working better than chorizo. Good luck, empty pack. I'm working on it. It's early. All right, for the Timberwolves, Pekovic, Alonzo Mourning for the Heat. For the Bucks, Jabari Parker, rookie card. For the Nets, teacher Joe Johnson, Great American Heroes. That's numbered. I'll get to it 1 second. And the hit goes to the Sixers. You ask, you get. The last 2 teams sold. Joel, rookie, 108 of 299. That's a start. Jersey patch. And the Joe Johnson for the Nets and teacher is an eBay 101, 299 of 299. I would have to say that's a first good couple of packs. Now, if they all stay like this, that'd be awesome. All right, Ginobili, Jeff Teague. Well, no particular order. Wait, I guess we'll do it this way. James Harden. How about a purple die cut for the Bulls? Taj Gibson. And purple is out of 25, 6 of 25. Wow, what a box. And for the Hawks, Paul Millsap, jersey patch. 9 of 199. This is a great way to start. For anybody that just came to the basketball break, all cards will be shipped out by Tuesday. Empty pack. Good luck. David West, John Stockton, Aaron Gordon rookie, for the Knicks, red parallel, die cut, Carmelo Anthony, 93 of 135. A base of, 1 second, let me look. 93 of 135, Carmelo. Pekovic, I think, was a base card for the Timberwolves. That's it so far. Kirk Heinrich, jersey patch for the Bulls, clear cloth, 11 of 199. There you go. See right through. Congrats to the Bulls. Yeah, it was just a Pekovic. But that was a good first box. Good luck. Box 2. Empty box. Wow, this got I think this got the auto. All right. Kyrie Irving for the Cavs. Harrison Barnes for the Warriors. Paul Pierce. Paul Pierce, red parallel for the Wizards. And a red parallel Marcus Smart rookie for the Celtics. The Smart is 205 of 279. And the Pierce is 80 of 279. And our autograph, this is crazy. Good luck. This is on card. This is an on card autograph. There it is. There you go, New Yorker. You don't need to see any more. Maurice Cheeks, certified competitor for the Sixers. That is on card. 63 of 99. Wow, what a break. Well, that's the advantage. Somebody didn't pay. All right, I had Carmelo, Gordon, Stockton, David West, Heinrich, Millsap, a purple Taj Gibson, Harden, Teague, Robinson, Joe Johnson, the Joel rookie, Parker rookie, Morning. Pekovic for the Sixers. Somebody asked about DeAndre Jordan. LeBron James, red parallel. DeMarcus Cousins. Brandon Jennings. And the David Thompson autograph for the Nuggets. That's as far as we got. Blank card. Good luck. Yeah. Thompson and Cheek so far. We had the Kareem out of the first 5 boxes. This case is sick. It's been all vets. Hibbert, Monroe, Wilcox, Karl Malone. That's a base. And our hit. How about for the Bucks? A Jabari Parker rookie card, clear cloth, jersey patch. 183 of 199. All right, focus. Congrats to whoever's got the Bucks. You can see it's 183 of 199. If not, you'll see it when you get it in the mail. Congrats. Wow. Can we top this? Hopefully. Empty pack. Well, is that a gold or is that a... It might be a certified card. Sullinger for the Celtics. Green for the Celtics. Here we go. How about a Young for the Timberwolves? Purple die cut. Purple is out of 25. 23 of 25. His jersey number's 33. I thought it was 23, but cool card. For the Thunder, Russell Westbrook, certified excellence. I'll get to that number. Let's do the hit. Good luck. And for the Spurs, the Russell Westbrook is 36 of 299. And the Leonard jersey patch with like the fence cut out is 69 of 99. Congrats to the Spurs. Well, at least somewhat we're spreading the love around. Good luck. All right, Chris Bosh, Scottie Pippen, who's supposed to be at the Nationals tonight. Joe Harris, rookie. For the Wizards, Bradley Beal die cut, red parallel, 59 of 135. And for a team who hasn't hit, how about for the Mavericks, Chandler Parsons jersey patch, clear cloth, 278 of 299. Oh, that's very hard to see. But 278 of 299. That's box 2. Wow. The snow globe is bringing some luck. empty box. The last hit was the for the Mavs, Chandler Parsons clear cloth. Yeah, that's right. All right, here we go. Sorry. All right, for Boston, Avery Bradley, Mike Conley for the Grizzlies. For the Grizzlies again, Adams rookie. How about a blue parallel for the Charlotte Hornets? Kemba Walker. I'll get to that number in 1 second. And our hit goes to the Kings, DeMarcus Cousins, jersey patch clear cloth, 210 of 299. Congrats to the Kings. And the Kemba Walker is 21 of 149. It's number 15. All right, here we go. Good luck. Jimmy Butler for the Bulls. David Robinson for the Spurs. James Young rookie for Boston. Ooh, for the Timberwolves. Glenn Robinson III die cut. Rookie card. I'll get my hand out of the way in a second. 61 of 135. That's cool. And for the Rockets, James Harden jersey patch. 248 of 299. Clear cloth. But I've done a lot of these cases and seen a lot of the same people. I'm glad it's just not the same team hitting over and over. Sorry, but that's just my vote. Well, that's our autograph. All right, for the Bucks, OJ Mayo. Bogut for the Warriors. There he is again, red parallel, James Harden. For the Rockets, 42 of 279. I'm going to save that autograph and let it stir. After this pack, we'll look at it. Good luck. Empty pack. Here we go. All right, for the Lakers, Steve Nash. Ben McLemore. Ooh. For the Magic, Victor Oladapo. Oladapo. I forget how you say his name, but you guys get it. Purple, parallel, which is cool. Number 6 of 49. One off from the jersey number. And for the Thunder, Kevin Durant, sorry. Great American Heroes. And our hit, good luck, goes to the Grizzlies. Marc Gasol jersey patch, which I'll get to that number in 1 second. The Durant is 256 to 299. That's for OKC. And the Marc Gasol jersey patch for the Grizzlies is 40 of 249. All right, good luck. Here comes the autograph. All right, Will Chamberlain. It's a base card. And the autograph. Oh, sticker. Good luck. Here we go. For the Heat. Blank card. There's the Will Chamberlain base card. For the Heat, all on sticker, Norris Cole. Autograph. Present potential. 14 of 99. Of course not. Come on, focus. There it is, 14 of 99. Congrats to the Heat. All right, if you haven't hit yet, I hope you hit something big. Remember, at the end, stick around for the giveaway. Empty box. Oh, that would have been cool for that ink. Kobe Bryant for the Lakers. Brandon Jennings for the Pistons. Rodney Hood, rookie, for the Jazz. A base card of Kevin Durant. And our hit, good luck, goes to the Cavs. There's Kevin Durant. Deion Waiters, jersey, clear cloth, 109 of 299. All right, we got to heat back up. Here we go. Hayward for the Jazz. Russell for the Celtics. Wow. Good luck. How about a purple parallel die cut? Andrew Wiggins, rookie, for the Timberwolves. That is cool. If you hold it the right way, it looks like a rainbow, but it's purple, which is 2 of 25. His jersey number's 22. Yeah, congrats, dude. That's a cool card. Now, if we could find the 101. Oh, yeah. I pulled Blake Griffin 101 out of this. Also, a black one. And the other two hits for the Sixers, well, that's where we were hoping there was ink too. Julius Erving, Great American Heroes for the Sixers. And we'll get to that number in a second. The hit goes to, how about the Magic? Penny Hardaway. Jersey patch. 241 of 249. This has been pretty good. And the Irving is 120 of 299. There you go, New Yorker. Wait, and I don't even think we saw the autograph yet. Unless I'm losing track. I don't know. There's hits galore. All right. Toby Harris for the Magic. Wes for the Pacers. Bruno for the Raptors, rookie. As we said, for the guy that's supposed to be at the Nationals tonight, Scottie Pippen. Die cut for the Bulls. Red parallel. 48 of 135. And for the Magic, Aaron Gordon jersey patch, rookie clear cloth. 69 of 299. Congrats to whoever's got the Magic. That's a cool card too. And unless I missed it or I'm forgetting, this should have the autograph. Empty pack. Good luck. And this does have the autograph. Yes, it does. Good luck. All right. Eric Bledsoe for the Suns. Jason Kidd for the Kings. Or, sorry. Jason Kidd for the Kings. For the Mavs. Here we go for the Phoenix Suns. Dragic. Red parallel. How about a Johnny O'Brien rookie for the Bucks? Blue parallel. I'll get to those numbers in 1 second. Good luck. The autograph. Wow. Blank card. That is on card for the Kings. Rookie roll call. Nick Stukakis. That's another one on card. .207 of 249. Congrats to the Kings. At least we're spreading the love around. All right, if you haven't got a hit, ask for one. Hopefully you can get it in the last box. All right, the Johnny O'Brien was 34 of 149, which is blue. Okay, and the Dragic is 102 of 279, which is the red parallel. Yeah, you want to do football? What do we want to do? Empty box. Anybody want to do a football auction after this? Ash, this basketball stuff has been crazy. I have to say, I think that, yeah, New Yorker it was. Yeah. Osby, yeah. A football auction, if you're interested, we'll do one. This has got the auto. Wow. Besides the Stephon Curry on-card autograph, I think this has been the 5 best boxes all around, I think, so far. Tony Parker, Derek Favors. How many cards? Wait. Oh, this is a different pack. Sorry. Derek Favors for the Jazz. Wow. For the Bulls. Blue parallel, die cut, Derrick Rose. 15/74. At least the blue will match his new team. New Yorker, you didn't miss nothing yet. Except we got a Karl Malone blue parallel. /149. And for the teacher got the Epics card. 2-color patch, black and white. For the Nets, Kevin Garnett. Yes, you do, teacher. 137/149. Kevin Garnett Epics card. That is a fat card. Wow. All right, forget the bobblehead. The snow globe is now the main man there. He is pulling some heat. All right. If we could have 2 hits, I'd have to say I'm probably looking for a Lakers and a Cavs hit because I haven't seen them much. Well, the Cavs did have the waiters patch, but I don't know. I'm trying to think of what other teams. OKC, Russell Westbrook, Prince for the Grizzlies, Exum rookie for the Jazz. How about a red parallel for the Spurs, Kawhi Leonard. That is a die cut, barely, but it is. 107/135. And for the Bulls, who actually I think have done decent this break, Dougie McDermott rookie, jersey patch, 10/249. Yep, McBuckets. All right, last pack, and then we get to the autograph pack. Good luck. Here we go. All right, Ray Allen, Beal for the Wizards, Stukakis rookie to go with the autograph. Well, the guy that's supposed to be at the Nationals, I said tonight, but this time it's a Blazers card. Scottie Pippen. Good luck. The hit goes to, how about the Knicks? I guess they're due. They didn't hit. Stoudemire, jersey patch. $231 to $249. All right, good luck. Come on, be sick. Gasol, Howard. Wow. Another red parallel for the Cavs. LeBron James. I asked for a Cavs and a Lakers. Well, there's a Karl Malone for the Lakers, but it's a base card. LeBron James, red parallel for the Cavs. 254, 279. And whatever team has not hit, whoever has not get a hit, I hope you hit here. Good luck. Wow, this looks like it's going to be old school. There's the Karl Malone. Wow. For the Trailblazers, Bill Walton, autograph, ballot busters. What a case. What a heck of a 5 boxes. This one goes to Portland. Bill Walton. Wow, what a break. 32 of 60. So everybody that's in here, you have first dibs. I can tell you right now. Hang on one second. I'll throw up the link so y'all can bookmark the page if you want in the last 5 boxes of this case. It's right there. This has been my best case so far of vets. If you're looking for a rookie, I have not hit a big one, but man, we've hit a lot of vets. All right. Let me do the giveaway. Then I'll do a recap. These are all blank cards. All right. The giveaway, what I'll do for this is I'm going to give away store credit or auction credit or whatever you want to use it for, credit. I'll do it for the top 2 people. Spots 1 and 2 will get $5 break credit a piece. What break is this? Hang on, I got to remember what break I'm doing. $194. Is what it says. All right, that's accurate. Okay. I don't think my eBay number break is right for this week, but I'll change them in the listing. All right, what I'm going to do, yeah, it really is. I mean, yesterday the Ballard was really not that great, but the football break I did before this for eBay, I got a 505. It's a Rivera, not a big name, but still. Ash, I think you've gotten one of those. Obviously not Rivera, but I think you got a blue one if I'm not mistaken. All right. All right, I'm going to roll the dice. Whatever the dice roll says, we'll do a random. The top two spots will get $5 in break credit for the store or an auction or a division break or whatever you want to use it on. Good luck. We got a 4 and a 6. We're going 10 times. That's right. You got the 1 of 5 Andrew Luck. I forgot about him. All right, let me get the random up. We're going 10 times. All right, I got to move the camera for this. Good luck. That's everybody in the break. With New Yorker on the Sixers, I just needed to make sure that's accurate. Ten times. Spots 1 and 2 will get a $5 break credit to use on whatever. Ryan G, Justin R, Justin R, Ryan G. We're good. Here we go. 10 times. 1, 2, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Here we go. 10th and final time. Good luck. 10. Top 2. Teacher and Trent W. Teacher, you did it again. Teacher won the jersey last night in the break. Teacher and Trent W. Where's my teacher? Oh, yeah. Teacher got the autographed jersey from the Ballard. Teacher got this autographed jersey of Ray Guy last night with, I think, 2 or 3 spots. Teachers had some luck in this room with that snow globe. We went to the snow globe halfway through the break. All right, so if New Yorker, you don't want in a football auction or anything? Wait a minute, let me make sure who my winners were. I gotta write it down. I know teachers won. Trent W, are you in the room? I haven't got that far yet, New Yorker. Trent W, if you're in the room, let me know. And teacher. All right, let me stop the recording. Thanks for the fill. Oh, you went to the Nationals? Was Scottie Pippen at least there? Oh yeah, you were due. You got that was a good deal for you, man. I'm Let me hold on 1 second. Let me stop the recording before I say anything.